Hello everyone, my name is Saijyoti Subhash Beder and today I am going to speak on the topic growth and development of small and medium scale industries by a salesman. This topic belongs to the subject entrepreneurship development and we have done the project under the guidance of Professor P.S. Khalate ma'am. The contents which we are going to include is what is the meaning of salesmanship, forms of selling, types of salesmanship, essential qualities of salesman, duties of salesperson, significance of salesmanship, activities of salesperson, effect of salesperson in distribution of goods and services, and the conclusion. First of all, what is salesmanship? Salesmanship is the seller initiated effort that provides prospective buyers with the information and motivates or persuades them to make favorable buying decisions concerning the seller's product or services. Salesmanship is the salesperson who helps the user to buy the different products and help them in making decisions and motivates them to buy the products. Forms of selling. There are mainly two types of forms of selling. First is personal selling, in which the customer or the salesperson meets the customer and sell the product directly to the customer. And in non-personal selling, the salesperson takes the help of the advertisement or the media such as advertisement, sales promotion, online selling, trade marketing, or direct by mail. There are types of salesmen. First is sales personnel. The sales personnel are the employee who are given the task to bring the clients to the salesman. Salesman. A salesman is someone who works in the sale with the function of selling products or services to other either by visiting locations, telephones, or the store. A salesman is a person who visits the particular location or he sells the product by calling through telephones or by visiting the stores. Sales executive. Sales executive are the key point of the contact between an organization and its clients. And sales clerk. Sales clerk is a person who brings the product to the to the shop and sell them by the shop itself. Sales staff. Sales staff provides pay for performance, B2 appointment, selling and demand generation services for sales team. Medical representative. They are the key point of contact between pharmaceutical and medical healthcare professionals. Account executive. Account executive serves as the direct link between the advertising agency and existing client. Sales manager. Sales manager direct the distribution of their company's product to the customer, which involves establishing sales territories as well as setting goals. Sales associates. They provide a variety of service from helping you pick out items to ringing up your purchase. Sales representative. Sales representatives sell retail product, goods and services to customer. Sales representatives work with the customer to find what they want, create solution and ensure a smooth sales product. The essential qualities that a salesman should have are as follows. First, he should have the knowledge of the sales promotion scheme. He should have the ability to analyze customers' motivation and behavior. He should be having the ability to communicate with the customer effectively. He should be able to listen and understand customers' location and merchandise. He should be able to demonstrate the practical use of the product. He should have the skill of assessing the customer's preference. He should have the skill of demonstrating about the goods. He should have the skill of packing the products. He should be able to establish good relationship with the people or the customers. He should be able to learn anything quickly and adapt everything smoothly. He's planning ahead and efficiently managing his first time and efforts. Duties of the salesperson. There are particular duties that a salesperson should be aware of. The principal duty is to make sales of the product of services. He has to do the assigned duty. He has to make collection of bills related to the sales which he has done earlier. He has to make the report of sales made, calls made, services rendered, and customers. All complaints must be satisfied peacefully. He has to attend sales meeting. A sales meeting with his experience must supply information in order to solve problems. He must maintain good relation with the customer. He must assist the customer to make good selection. He must develop a goodwill for the firm and the product. He must have cooperative habits. He takes periodic inventories of the stocks. Significance that a salesmanship should have, that should be flexible tool, a flexible person. He should involve himself in minimum wasted efforts. He should get the result in actual sales. He should provide the feedback of the customers. He should be the advantage, he should give the advantage to the customer. Activities of the salesperson are as follows: creating value for the firm customers, managing relationship with the customers, relying customers and market information back to their organization. Effect of sales in distribution of goods and effects of salesman in distribution of goods and services. Salesmanship arouses interest, create and maintain demand. Salesman provides necessary assistance to the customer meeting out their requirements. Salesmen act as a friend and guide for the customer. A salesman acts as a link between the manufacturer and the customer. They play a major role in maintaining stability between the customer and the user, between the demand and the supply. Salesmen also render services to producer by increasing sales. He helps in the growth of GDP and the economy of the country. And here we are, the last topic of the PPT, that is conclusion. From the above information, we come to know that salesmanship helps in a great way to boost and increase revenue and at the same time for the growth and development of enterprises of the nation. And here are some points that a salesman include, that such as salesman stands for, S stands for supports the client's need, A stands for the adjust to the needs, L stands for love their objectives, E stands for excite them with your answers, S stands for serve them your solution, M stands for make a strong relationship, A stands for aim for the best, and never N stands for never see them as the money. Best way to sell anything. Best way to sell anything means salesman should include all the qualities so that the customer should be attractive or attracted towards their product. And by this, I would like to end my presentation. Thank you.